Welcome to the assembly instructions video for this Prime 2-in-1 by Funride. Main body, fork with wheels, flute pipe, parental handle caps, basket, and all the small connectors and seat, footrest, bottle holder. Insert the axle pin into the rear wheels. Use the circular clip to secure the axle pin in place and prevent movement. Now, insert the wheel axle into the rear side of the frame. Cover the axle pin with the axle cap. Next, attach the front mudguard to the fork. Then, insert the fork into the front of the frame. Slide the front basket into position on top of the fork. Now take the handle and insert it into the fork. Tighten it using the knob provided. Unscrew the ring from the flute pipe. Then insert the pipe into the slot on the frame. Use a screw to tighten and lock it in place. Attach the footrest and secure it using a nut and bolt. Now it's time to install the movement wire. First the front end, then the rear. Secure the rear end with a nylock nut. Place the seat on top of the frame and fasten it using the butterfly nut. Next, attach the rear basket to the back of the frame. Secure it using the provided nut and bolt. Insert the parental handle into the flute pipe and tighten it with the knob. Lastly, attach the bottle holder. And that's it! Your Prime 2-in-1 is now ready for fun!